All right, we are on tune 9 already. So let's go ahead and download this. And same process. You guys should already know by now. We're on the 9th one. How this is done. Go ahead and open up our Hondata. Finish downloading. And let's go ahead and plug in. I turned it off. Our Flash Pro. Alright, there it is. So let's go into calibrations. Let's open this up. Load up Tune 9. Upload it. And then we'll set it on the car. And on this request, he just wants me to do third gear pulls. Start at 25 and end at 86. No big deal. Even easier. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and upload the, what are we, 9 tune? I think so. The 9th tune. Just go ahead and load it. Everything's going. Alright, and there it goes. And on this one, he just wants me to do third gear pulls from 2500 RPM all the way to 86,000. So it would be starting from there all the way till we hit red line down here to 86. And he just wants data logs of third gear pulls. We're almost done with the tuning. He's just fine combing everything and we're all set. And we're just about done. There it is. Let's go ahead and start her up. Sweet. And do some data logs. All right, 3000 RPM. Data log is on. Let's go. Hopefully that's not a pop up there. No, it's not. All right, finish that. Sweet. Now I'll just give them 2 more of the same. All right, here we go. Oh, you know what? He actually wants 25,000. I actually messed up, so I turned it off. I forgot he wants 25,000 RPM. I just said it. All right, here we go. It's just that I'm so used to doing it at 3,000 RPM. Let's do it. Fucking red line. Here we set ourselves up again. 2500. Data log on. Yes, no. 2, 3. It's not working. Yay. Let's try this one more time. Okay, now it's on. So we're back at home. Went to Foster Freeze to go get something to eat. Yeah. So I'm working and eating. So we just did our 30 gear pulls on Tune 9. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these data logs. I messed up on this one, so we're gonna delete that one. Yes. And these are all third gear pulls. There's 3, 4, 5 of them. So we're going to select all of them. I still haven't learned. I'm still trying to swipe with the finger. Save as. This one's gonna be 01. Third pool. 1, enter. And then 02. Oh. Forgot to create a new folder. It has it right there. So let's create a new folder. This one is 9. Yeah, 9th. Enter. Let's grab this one and drag it in here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Now, this one's gonna be 02, third gear, 2, and then 03, third pool, 3. Give me a space right here. Enter. And then 04, and so forth and so forth. Alright, and save. And I'm gonna go ahead and send this to Josh. And just sit back and chill and wait for the next one. Alright, and there it is. Everything is loaded up. Send them a cool little message. And send. Sweet. Now we just sit back, relax, and wait for the next tune to come in. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.